Hi there, and welcome back to another BobBlast. Hi, I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is, I have a conceptual assignment for you to paint, and we're all going to do this together. And the theme, the concept on this next BobBlast is all about windows. Windows. You know, I've been sitting in my studio, much like you, for the past couple of weeks, all by myself, being very isolated, looking out the window. And I just couldn't paint. I showed up every day, but I just didn't have the fire in the belly, you know, the confusion of the news today. And I just couldn't paint what I really wanted to paint. I tried it, but I couldn't do it. So I started journaling. And after journaling about windows, I got my Roget Thesaurus, looked up the word windows. Oh my gosh, there's a long list of titles. And so after journaling for a while, I decided to go 4 possible directions for windows. Not just one, but 4 possible directions. And I have here on the wall, as you can see, I got started. This one would be a woman looking out the window. Classic, right? Always looking out the window. And this one is about a woman and the man looking in the window. Go figure. This one over here is more abstract, and it's about what we're doing right now. Neighbors talking to each other through the windows of their apartments, playing games and things like that, but still communicating. Windows. There's one person on this side and a window being developed over here. And then I remember going back to Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris when I had a workshop, and the reflections of the stained glass windows on the marbled floors were spectacular. And I've decided this is what I want to do more about the windows, the effect of windows, not just looking through or looking into the windows, but the effect of stained glass reflecting on marbled floors. Let me show you what I'd like to do right now. Remember, your painting assignment is all about windows. So with every painting assignment comes a materials list. And what I have here on my table ready to go, I have my gesso. I have my Cheap Joe Prime Extra Fine board. Perfect. 12 inches by 12 inches. I already have it primed. I have my big brush. I have my color wheel. And with the color wheel comes the colors. So I've decided the dominant color is going to be violet. There you go. The focal point will be green. I'm ready to go. And the 2 spice colors, a little bit of blue and a little bit of orange. So I've got 2 oranges right here ready to go. And now, let's get started on your assignment of windows. So the concept being windows, this one's going to be about the reflection that I see through stained glass windows. Now, of course, I'm working on this square panel, wooden panel, beautiful panel, but you can use anything you want, paper, canvases, wooden panels, but this is your painting assignment. Let me show you what I'm going to be doing. So this is about reflection, and I saw green is going to be the focal point. So according to my color wheel, violet is the dominant color. So here we go. Paper towel. Wet the paper towel a little bit. I've got some blue in here right now. Look at that. So again, this was about the reflection that I had seen. This is the purple. I'm squeezing it right onto the panel. Look at that. Ah, great. Oh, yeah. So it was, you know, and the reflection just glowed on that marble floor, and that's the effect I'm looking for right now. Now that's the blue, purple, bluish purple color, right? Even more so. Look how your eye goes right to this one spot. Can't miss it, right? Again, this is just very abstract. I'm just showing you how I like to work with paper towels. and big brushes, but the glow is the part that I'm looking for. Now in my color wheel, I have orange and a lighter blue around the focal point. See how it glows? Oh, look at that glowing. Crazy, isn't it? I'm gonna make this green focal point even stronger by having more contrast. Look how your eye goes right to that one spot. Right to that one spot. It starts to glow. Of course, these are really nice paints too. They have a lot of pigment in them. And that's what I like about it. A lot of pigment. I don't have to work so hard. See, it's glowing already. I love that glow. Pretty nice. And the other focal, rather the spice color would be that orange. And you just use a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. That's the whole idea of a spice color. It just adds spice to the whole point right there. Oh, look at that. Just glows. And again, I'm going strictly for reflection of color on that beautiful marble floor at Notre Dame a couple years ago. This is how I work in my workshops, by the way. We do a lot of conceptual work, working with color. That's what I wanted to show you also though today. But this is your assignment. Wouldn't that be fun if you all did something like this, you know? So I invite you to also create your own. And on the next BobBlast, I'm gonna show you where to post it, how to post it. And it'll be kind of exciting, I think. We all get to do windows. It kind of gets us out of our studio without getting out of our studio. Well, this was fun. I hope you don't feel so isolated now and do something about windows, either looking out or looking in. I'll see you on the next BobBlast. Hey, thanks for sharing, and make sure you share this to all your friends. Take care. Bye-bye.